invited me here to speak about women empowerment. I'm Sajrish Ali and I'm heading Business Development and Marketing in Mukhtar Asia Hospital Multan, which is the leading hospital of South Punjab. I am a specialist in business development, corporate and retail businesses, and marketing as well. So let's talk about women empowerment. At first, I would like to ask how many of you negotiated your first job? It's okay. Previously, when I asked this question, I came to know that only 57% of people negotiated their first job, and 50% of those were male, and 7% only were females, which was very alarming. However, the only thing which I think behind the negotiation at that time was confidence. Self confidence is the basic thing to lead and to empower our own self. The most alluring thing in a woman is self confidence. So, I would like to enlighten this point that most of the females don't think that they have that confidence in themselves because at most of the time when they do something which is stupid or foolish, they criticize their own selves that oh my god, what I have done, I must not have done this, and they point out their own self in a very negative way, which you mostly do not do to your daughters and to your best friends. You don't talk in that way to your best friends and to your daughters. Then why to your own self? So I must say that I stand straight and high and achieve it. There is nothing and no force that can stop me. When a female or a woman understands her self worth, she packs her pride in suitcase and takes a flight of freedom to reach the destination of positive change. I must repeat a positive change because females have many other responsibilities of their house chores, their children, and many other family responsibilities as well. So they are not like nobody's bound them to do not pursue their dreams or career. I believe that a perfect woman or an empowered woman is that who manage their personal responsibilities as well and then to pursue their dreams as well. So I must say here that I found that ultimately, if you truly pour your heart into what you believe in, even if it makes you vulnerable, amazing things can and will happen. I am a person today. I would like to thank the person I was 5 years ago for not giving up. And for all those who didn't give up, you all are awesome. So here, a woman who manage all her personal responsibilities as well and pursue her dream and career with self-confidence and self-esteem. She is a proof that she can walk through hell but still be an angel. In the end, I would like to expect that there must be more women who can get benefit from this e-commerce platform because I believe that now time is changing and trend is also changing. I have seen more women in as an entrepreneurs in the market of e-commerce and digital marketing as well. So it's the time that we all see gender as a spectrum instead of two sets of opposing ideals. Thank you so very much once again.